Time to eat, like the hat says. Today I'm going to make delicious bacon grilled cheese sandwiches using this Comdo multi-cooker gadget. Remember, we made spaghetti in here. We made hot dogs in here. Today I'm going to use the griddle function. This is so easy. You can make this in your regular frying pan, but I'm just showing you my cool gadget. I'm going to put this here. Everything fits in here. I love it. The lid, cord, and everything. Today I'm going to use one of my favorite things, fully cooked original bacon. Fully cooked. This is good for sandwiches or anything when you want bacon. Goes in the microwave for a minute. We went halfway in the microwave. I'm going to finish it on here in between my delicious sandwiches. And a bonus part of this video, if you stick around that long, I'm going to taste Famous Dave's pickle chips. Devil's spit. Because Eddie told me to. I'll tell you why Eddie told me to. This is for adults only. They're so hot. Remember, I gave up hot stuff. We'll get into that after the sandwiches are done. Tomato soup, because it goes good with them. You know that. Come on over. We're going to use Duke's mayonnaise too. I'm going to show you that. Let's plug this in. Turn it up to high. And do you ever put mayo on your grilled cheese sandwiches? That's a good reason. Because mayo has a higher smoke point than butter, which means your grilled cheese lunch is more foolproof. You can cook the sandwich slightly higher heat for crispier on the outside and fluffier on the inside. Enough of the science. Science! Put a little mayo on the outside. Look at that. Instead of butter, it's better for you, especially Duke's, remember? Put it down. This will be the top. Hang on. First we'll do the bottoms. This will be the top so it matches. We're going to flip them over, you know. This is the top of that one. This is the bottom of this one. Spurtles. It does smell twangy. Duke's got the twang, see? Let's add a little twang in it. Put that down there. And the top of this one is going to be like this. Do this in your regular frying pan or your griddle, whatever you have to make grilled cheese. But get any kind of bacon, put it in there. I like that pre-cooked bacon. It's great. Sometimes I buy it just to put it in my tomato sandwiches. And I do. Okay, that's the top of that one. Some white American cheese. I hear a little sizzle here. Uh-oh, but hurry up. White American cheese. Look at this. Turn this down just a little bit. Look at this bacon. We're going to have extra bacon left over. Bacon, bacon. Or we'll make more sandwiches. So we got White American, Cooper Yellow, another White American. Oh, it smells good already. Oh, stack them up, look at this. All right, got a little extra here. Well, I'm gonna make another sandwich, that's right. And we put the lids on, corresponding. Okay. So we have enough bacon left over for 2 more sandwiches. It's going to be great. We'll give this a couple minutes. So in the meantime, let me heat up my tomato soup in a soup bowl mug cup. You like milk or water in yours? I think I like milk in mine. It says 1 can of milk or water. I'm going to put half a can of milk. That's even extra creamier. Okay. Oh. It is autumn. Is it autumn? Oh, darn. It is, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Darn. So I flip them sandwiches over. bacon grilled cheese. Dare we peek at the bottom? Dare we? Will we dare? In his hands. See, I didn't want to toast it too quick and not have my cheese melted. That's why I turned it down a little. But isn't it nice? Isn't it nice? 1 minute in microwave for soup. Not too hot, please. One minute enough for that? That's the microwave. Let's go sideways on this quick. Make a nice little pattern underneath. Then I'll do the same on top. Isn't that nice? Hot dogs were good in there. Roll them around. Remember how much I like pickles, don't you? So even that guy likes pickle juicers. They're good for you. Another minute for the soup, but I tasted it and it's delicious. Creamy. Where does this will go? The cheese is starting to melt. I think I'm going to flip it over and give it crisscross on that side, right? Everybody like that idea? Watch this. I meant to do that.
Nice.
The bacon's finished off nice there. Could have doubled up all that bacon, but I want to have a couple more sandwiches after this. It's going to be good. Put as much bacon as you want in there. Oh, that's hot stuff. Hot, creamy stuff. Mmm. Hold the mayo. What do you think, everybody? You ready? We can go a lot browner if we want. Oh, okay. You know I like them brown. Woo-wee! Hot stuff. Let's unplug this. Turn it off, unplug it. Rest. I like them like that. You know I do. Yeah. All right. Like that side, like that side. I love it. Over here. I gotta taste them now. I like this stuff. Try it. Or regular bacon, whatever you like. Mater soup. I got everything I need. A hunk of water. Small hunk. Now, if I get overwhelmed with this sandwich, remind me about those pickles, okay? Okay. Is it alright to wear a hat while I'm eating? Can't do nothing with this wig. Star of the show. Beautiful. That wasn't slow motion. Or was it? A delicious soup. Look at these classic 70s wood paneling spoon and fork set. See the wood paneling in there? They're from the 70s. Hunk of bacon in there. With the Duke's mayonnaise, big difference from butter. Or do you do this? So delicious. Now, my friend Eddie from Eddie's Pizza sent me a little clip of a video today of him talking about these. That video was so good, there should be a commercial. I'll just show you a picture here. Look at that. But remember, I was giving up hot stuff, and he said they're not too hot because he's trying to cut back too. It says here, a devilishly good pickle, so tasty it's almost sinful. Only the hottest peppers stolen from the devil's own backyard are used. Caution, may have aphrodisiac side effects. For adults only. XXX hot. Fresh pack. Look, I see a pepper in the bottom. And I couldn't wait. I don't like it too hot. Remember the Carolina Reapers and things like that? But I'm trusting Eddie. I'm gonna taste it right here. I don't even know if I want to smell it first. I just want to take one. Here we go, Eddie. I'm trusting you. How hot can it be, right? How hot can it be? Bread and butter chips. There's no smoke coming out of my ears yet. That's a nice flavor. Remember, I had some hot Dave's sauce. Hot sauce. It was so hot, remember? But I took too much, of course. Alright, now I taste the heat in the back of my throat, just like he said. My mouth isn't bad. Oh, let's cool it down with some sauce. This is creamy with milk in it. Alright, Eddie. You told me the truth. Famous Dave's pickle chips. Devil spit. How hot can it be? I want another one. Do you want one? Oh, you don't eat hot stuff, do you?
A little bit. You want to give me one?
I don't want to overdo it here. Me. It's a nice heat back there.
Thank you.
Not bad. Bread and butter flavor. Nice. Although my eyes are watering.
It's a little hot.
Are my eyes watering?
Eddie, it's hot.
Well, she's a lady that's not used to hot things like we are. But I'm starting to feel the tingling. But it's not insane. It's a good hot, like you said.
It's tasty. It's very tasty. But you were pretty calm on the hot. It's a little,
yeah, you know how it is
spicy.
when I can't handle that hot. But this is hot. You know it's hot. A little sweaty, a little tingly up here, but not that crazy. I wouldn't say it's triple X. I'd say it's only X. Thanks, Eddie. Eddie's Pizza. We had a pizza with pickles on, didn't we? So, cheeseburger pizza, I think, something like that. All right, try this. Delicious lunch or supper. I didn't even take a drink yet. Oh, I took a drink of soup, remember? I called it sauce, remember? More hunk of this?
Sure. It looks so good.
That cooled down a little.
And the crunchiness.
Crunchy, oh boy.
Oh, I've got a different view of it now. Nice.
I hear that crunch from
Did
across
you
the
hear it
room.
from across the room?
I'm gonna have some more of these pickles. You crazy? Hot things like this? I never go back in for a third. You can taste the bread and butter flavor in there.
Definitely. It's really nice. It's the sweet and hot together.
Just like me. Was it fun with Mackenzie yesterday?
Oh yeah. It was a lot of fun.
So make yourself a grilled cheese sandwich. If you don't have any bacon, stick it in there. Bacon grilled cheese, delicious. I should have put more. I should have put all that bacon on there. I should have done that, huh? Oh, well. All right, talk to you soon. Please subscribe. Try Famous Dave's pickle chips. Talk to you later. Bye. Woo-wee. I'm gonna make another. I'm gonna put all that bacon in the next one. Where's the bacon? Yeah, I'm put Duke's mayonnaise on there too, or any kind of mayo. See ya.